Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about farm power and machinery. One more questions which might be useful for you to crack the assistant engineer examination as well as for gate examination and ICR examination. So in TNPC examination it covers about 20 to 40 questions will be available in farm power and both farm power and machinery. So this presentation might be useful for you to revise what you have studied in your classes. So first question, given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. First, there are assertion reason questions are there in examination to reduce your marks. So you should read it carefully before getting into the answer. So first assertion, power requirement of the rotary mower is higher than the sickle bar mower of same width. Okay, in rotary mower, the forage is not only cut but also accelerated by the knives during the impact. You see, in the rotary mower, the power requirement is always higher when compared to the sickle bar mower because the rotational movement takes place in the rotary mower. So the first statement is assertion is correct. And the rotary mower forage is not only cut. Rotary mower it not only cut the forages, but it also accelerate the knives because there are knives present in the rotary mower. So it accelerated the knives during this impact, so that only the crops can be cut easily. So both assertion and reason are correct. Option A is the correct answer. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. For Ackermann steering system, same statement 1, statement 2 questions. Read it carefully. For Ackermann steering system, effective outside turning radius is larger by about half of the front tire width, and all the four wheels have a common static pole of motion. So according to this statement is correct. So for Ackermann steering system, the following relation cot alpha plus cot beta is equal to L by B, where alpha is a outer turning angle, yes it is correct, outer turning angle, and beta is inner turning angle. So L is a wheelbase, it is correct, wheelbase is correct, but T is the track width. Here they had put a plus, instead of plus it will be minus. So you want to minus so that only we can get answer. Cot alpha minus cot beta, this is equal to L by B. This is the Ackermann steering system formula. So statement 2 is false. So option C is the correct answer. Option 3. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. In Ackermann steering system, the steering axis is connected to the moving link. Steering axis which is connected to the moving link. So this moving link transfers the motion to the link which is attached to the wheels. So the wheels is attached. So this is the steering angle XY. So this link which is attached to the steering axis, while the steering gets turned, this moving link transfers the motion to the wheels and then automatically it will move. So this is the Ackermann steering angle. So understand this Ackermann steering system so that only you can easily answer this question. Next question. The size of the exhaust port is always larger than the size of the inlet port. No, it is not. The velocity, pressure and temperature of the exhaust port are very high than at the inlet port. Statement is correct. You see, after the power is produced, the pressure and the temperature and the velocity it will be higher in the exhaust gases. So the exhaust gases come out of the exhaust port, so it also very high other than the inlet port because the fresh air fuel mixture is get in the inlet port. So the temperature is lower. After it reached the engine, the temperature gets higher, power is produced, the temperature gets higher, the velocity also gets higher, the pressure is also gets higher. So option D is the correct answer. Option 4. A is false, R is true. Next question. Same assertion reason question. These questions are already asked in examination, so be aware of that. These type of questions will be asked in examination. assistant. Lighter tractors can be used for rotary tillage operation. Yeah, you can use the lighter tractors, which is very powerful in rotary tillage operation. And in rotator, the tins push the tractor forward and generates a negative drag. Yeah, it pushes the tractor forward. So when it pushes forward, the negative draft is created in the side. So both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So option A is the correct answer. Next, the drum brakes are preferred over disc brakes for emergency brakes, but not for service brakes. For emergency, we can use the drum brakes only. Okay, assertion is correct. Drum brakes have higher values of inner amplification factor than the disc brake, as well as drum brakes are very sensitive. Yes, drum brakes are very sensitive to variation of friction coefficient in comparison to the disc. Yes, drum brakes are very sensitive. So option A is the correct answer. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. The cutter bar of the tractor operated mower ordinarily makes 1600 to 2000 strokes per minute. So option B is the correct answer. In CA engine, the compression pressure inside the engine cylinder is normally in the range of. So in CA engine, the compression pressure is up to 35 to 45 kg per centimeter square. So option B is the correct answer. In a four-wheel drive tractor, dash is compared to the two-wheel drive tractor. In four-wheel drive tractor, we can get the power in a foreground. So the net tractive coefficient is higher and the tractive efficiency is also higher. So both the net tractive coefficient as well as tractive efficiency is higher. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. The type of restraint 3-point linkage system in which depth of implement is automatically adjusted. It is automatically adjusted by automatic ADDC, automatic depth draft control system. To maintain a pre-selected constant draft is called automatic draft control system. So precision not, depth control not. So next question. The sound level of an agriculture tractor should not exceed 90 decibel. So this is a wrong answer. Next. In forced feed lubrication system adapted in the tractor engines, the type of pump is generally used. In lubrication system, there are two types. One is a splash feed lubrication system. Second one is forced feed lubrication system. In splash system, there is one connecting rod which gets deeper in the oil, so it can be, the engine parts can be lubricated through this. In forced feed lubrication system, we can use the gear pump. So option B is the correct answer. So centrifugal pump not, rotary pump not, plunger pump no. The type of bearing used to support a disc blow. For disc blow, what is the type of bearing used? Bush bearing? No. Plain bearing we cannot use. Ball bearing we cannot use. A taper roller bearing is used. In disc blow we can use only the taper roller bearing. Next question. The common type of fertilizer metering mechanism used on animal drawn seed cum fertilizer. Animal drawn seed cum fertilizer, we cannot use auger type, stationary open type, edge type. We can use only the star wheel mechanism. So option A is the correct answer. So next question. The method of estimating depreciation which reduces the value of tractor by an equal amount. So if you buy for the tractor is 10 lakhs. Sorry. If you buy the tractor for 10 lakhs, the salvage value is 10%. Salvage value is 10%. So it can be depreciated each year. It can be depreciated the same amount. Same amount can be depreciated. So we can use this sum of the digits method. We cannot use constant percent. We cannot use estimated value. We cannot use the straight line method is a correct answer. So there are three types we can use the depreciation method. One is straight line method, The another one is the sum of digits method. The next one is the declining balance method. Declining balance method. So these are the three types we can use to calculate the depreciation of the tractor. Next question. For airborne sounds, the reference sound pressure RMF, reference sound pressure, taken to measure the sound pressure level. So sound pressure level is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 Newton per meter square. So P is equal to, so option D is the correct answer. Okay, today we can see nearby 15 to 18 questions. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. So every day we can solve the previous year questions so that it might be useful for you to clear the examinations. So thank you very much for seeing this video.